Ever wondered how to make delicious chicken dumplings at home? Let's take a culinary journey to the heart of Asian cuisine, where the humble dumpling reigns supreme. Loved for its versatility and comforting warmth, the dumpling is a global favorite. To craft our own chicken dumplings, we'll need a selection of simple yet flavorful ingredients. Tender chicken, ready-to-use dumpling wrappers, crisp cabbage, savory soy sauce, piquant ginger and garlic, fresh green onions, aromatic sesame oil, and the classic seasonings, salt and pepper. Now that we've gathered all our ingredients, it's time to start cooking. The first step in our chicken dumpling adventure is preparing the filling. Let's dive into the process. Start off by grabbing some fresh cabbage, green onions, ginger, and garlic. We want these ingredients finely chopped, so take your time here. The smaller the pieces, the better the flavors will blend together. Once you've got everything chopped up, it's time to mix it all together. Grab a large bowl and toss in the chopped ingredients. Now let's add in the star of the show, the ground chicken. Sprinkle in some soy sauce for that umami kick and a splash of sesame oil for a subtle nutty flavor. Now it's time for the seasoning. A healthy pinch of salt and a good grind of pepper should do the trick. Remember, you can always adjust to taste. Give everything a good mix until it's well combined. With our filling ready to go, we move on to the next step, wrapping the dumplings. Now, we're going to transform our chicken mixture and wrappers into beautiful dumplings. Imagine this, a spoon cradling a generous amount of our savory chicken mixture. This spoonful is then gently placed right in the heart of a dumpling wrapper, the wrapper's flat surface now holding a mound of flavor. The next step is to create a bond, a seal that will keep the filling inside its doughy home. To do this, dip your fingers in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper, creating a sticky border. Now comes the magic moment. Fold the wrapper over the filling, transforming the flat circle into a half moon. Your fingers, nimbly and carefully, pinch the edges together, creating a seal that locks in the filling. This process is repeated, one wrapper at a time, one spoonful of filling at a time until all the chicken mixture is used up. Now that all our dumplings are wrapped and ready, it's time to cook them. Our dumplings are wrapped and it's finally time to cook them. The magic happens now. To steam, place them in a steamer, ensuring they're not touching to prevent sticking. Let them steam for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're cooked to perfection. Or, if you prefer a crispy texture, pan fry them until golden brown. Remember, the key is patience. Let the heat work its magic, and you'll be rewarded with dumplings that are just right. And there you have it, delicious homemade chicken dumplings. We've journeyed together through the process of making chicken dumplings at home. With our array of ingredients, we prepared the filling, carefully wrapped our dumplings, and cooked them to perfection. Now you're all set to impress your family and friends with these scrumptious homemade chicken dumplings. Happy cooking!